Monday. Hope you are doing well. Hope you had an amazing weekend, by the way. I have been working all this Saturday and Sunday. I just had to finish a project that it was a long story, but I had to send it today. I have been free since a couple of hours, so I have been working on the shop because guys, I don't want to freak out, but I am. Because this month is super stressing. I already said that in past vlogs. But the thing is that we are 10 days, so please stay calm, 10 days until launch day. I have to order some samples, I have to finish with a couple of designs. I did also a couple more of designs and I realized I already had one of them that I didn't create a product with it. So I am just with that. I have been working on that, and also today I have to finish with the you know, the post ads and this kind of stuff for the shop launch, you know, all the marketing thing behind this. Tomorrow is going to be YouTube day, so basically I'm going to be editing and I'm going to be filming this week video. So I'm going to spend all day focus on the shop and drawing. So let's go, guys.
Buenos días. Rosy, buenos días.
So it's now 4 p.m. and I'm still with the shop things, guys. I'm sorry for my messy hair. I'm just freezing. I just had to put another, you know, sweater on top of the other sweater. And what I'm doing right now is creating like the mock-ups and things to, you know, make the marketing things. I'm going to show you. Here you can see the menu, how it's looking. I need to make public like all the products. I have here like all the products I have been creating. Also a couple more of designs that I made, like 3 designs that I made. I need to check up because I want to have like a hoodie and t-shirt and tote bag of each one. So I want to have a large variety of prices, just in case, you know, because, you know, hoodies are more expensive, tote bags are more cheaper. So I want to cover like all ranges of prices. So if you want to have a design printed in your tote bag or in your t-shirt on your hoodie, you can decide which one you prefer. So I am doing right now this, and here I'm going to start making like the mock-ups for the mugs and the t-shirts and this stuff. So I'm going to do that, guys. I'm going to make a coffee or a tea because I already have a tea here, but it's now super cold. And Phoebe is here sleeping. I am watching Gilmore Girls for 1 million times right now, but you know, guys, it's time for watch Gilmore Girls. So yeah, let's do that, guys.
It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
So I'm going to start doing this week video. You know, guys, I have it ready for tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to be able, probably not. So if it's not tomorrow, it's going to be Thursday, you know, but this week we are going to have a video like all weeks. So I'm going to paint this easel. By the way, in a few vlogs ago, I don't remember how many, probably last month vlogs, I just showed it to you that I received this easel from Craft Ease. they sent me, or they kindly sent me this to paint. So yeah, I'm going to make the video just painting that. I think I really need to do that this morning. You know, guys, on Mondays I'm going to bed super late because I watch TV show on TV. Well, TV show on TV. So Tuesdays mornings I'm always like a zombie. So yeah, I need to do something relaxing. So I'm going to be doing that, and yeah, let's go to work. Okay guys, I think I have everything ready for start painting, but before painting, as it's almost 2 p.m. I decided that I wanted to have lunch first and then continue with the painting, well, start the painting. So that's what I'm going to do. Also, excuse the mess, it's everything super messy right now, but well, see you later guys.
A ver, Rory. Sí, está genial.
So it's now near 5 p.m. and I'm still painting these guys. This is what I got so far. I mean, I have all the skin and I have the leaves. Basically, I have to finish painting this coat and the pumpkin and the air and this little stuff. And with that, I think I will have it. Hope I can finish it today. So yeah, I really want to edit tomorrow the video. It's taking me longer than expected, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result, you know, how it's looking. I'm not following 100%, you know, all the numbers, because it's going to be crazy, but well, there are parts that more or less I did it. On the face, I completely mess up with, you know, this shadow. Well, this blush, I don't know how to do that, guys. But yeah, I think it's not looking that bad. I don't know, what do you think? I will show final version probably tomorrow. So I have to say, this is the first time I am using like a paint by numbers type of thing. It's almost 2 p.m. I just ended with the editing of the video. Here it is. Well, basically the editing was done. I just had to make the voiceover. And the thing is, guys, it took me a lot of time, maybe 1 hour and a half, just to record 10 minutes of voiceover. So I think I have to start actually scripting my videos. It's almost 5 p.m. I have been doing the graphics for the video that I have to upload right now on YouTube. I mean, this afternoon. I have been preparing the cover for that. I just forgot, guys, that I didn't show you, or I never show you the final version of the painting I did with the Craft Ease thing. So this is it. This is the final version. Well, it's not final yet. I have to paint the background. You see, I didn't finish to paint these kind of things. I have to paint it with white, I think it is. But overall, guys, I think I like how it ended up looking, you know. You can see how big it is. This is size A5, so probably it's a 40 by 40 centimeters each. I have to measure it, but it's super big. So I need to, you know, cover this couple of things. And yeah, but I really love how it's looking. By the way, here is the original one, the one I did on, you know, on Procreate. But yeah, I don't know, guys, what do you think? It was very pleasant to do, and I had a great afternoon just painting and watching Gilmore Girls. I can't lie. And the last thing I wanted to show you for today is this drawing. Is a Draw This in Your Style. I don't know who it is. The Draws or something like that. But this is my take. This is like the original post. I just forgot to do the butterflies, but well, probably I added later. But well, I'm pretty happy with the result, you know, guys. I don't know, what do you think? But I like it. I like the color. Well, basically the colors are very similar to this one. Mine's are a little bit more saturated. I mean, I put more saturation on the air, and you know, I add different things. But yeah, this is all, guys. See you tomorrow. It's been 2 weeks since the last time I talked to you guys. It's time to reveal it's the secret project. I don't know if you have been following my social media. Just in case you didn't, the secret project I have been working for the last 6 months is a Domestika course, which it's making so exciting for me, because I really love the idea of sharing with you all my knowledge about what I'm going to talk you on the project, you know, on the course. I'm not going to reveal the theme of the course because I really wanted to keep it secret, but yeah, guys, I have been there over this week filming. Today is the second day I'm at home. Yesterday I was super tired that I couldn't do anything. Just watch films, do some kind of stuff here at home, like laundry and these kind of things. But yeah, the experience overall has been, very exciting and different from what I thought. I don't know how to say that, but I really love to see how things are made. So when you see a Domestika course, you're only seeing like the nice part, of it, but it's super interesting to see what's happening in the back part, in the behind the scenes. So yeah, it has been super interesting for me being there, working with the team, recording everything, even I feel like I am able to do like talking to the camera with some fluently thing. I have to say that the first day and the first impression with cameras that they have there, it was like very intimidating. But yeah, in general, I think it has been very positive to do this course. Also because, as I said, I really love to share with you all my knowledge, but also because I really love to do different things and see how things work. So yeah, for me it has been a pleasure to work with them, and I can wait to share with you guys when the course is going to be launched. But the time, I don't have any idea. Probably, I am guessing it's going to be around the beginning of 2023. But I will write you down and I will share it on the blogs and on the videos as soon as I know it. So basically, guys, today is Friday. I just recorded my Patreon podcast where I'm explaining there all the full experience with all kind of details. So if you want to hear more about that, you can go to there. By the way, the shop is already open. I was last week working on the shop, working on the course, or I wasn't feeling capable of focus on filming, focus on the shop, and focus on the course at the same time. But now it's open. You can go there, you can check. I'm going to leave the link below. Also, you can see this cute sweatshirt that it's going to be like the Gilmore Squad. Guys, you know that I'm very fan of Gilmore Girls and I watch it every single year. I really wanted to have something that represents me and my taste on, music and TV shows and this kind of stuff. And also I always wanted to be one of the Gilmore Squad. So basically I have here like Emily, Lorelai, Rory and me. So if you like the sweater and you want to see more designs, you can go to the web. Again, the link is going to be here. And yeah, guys, so I'm going to close here the blog. Thank you so much to my patrons, because you guys let me the time to make these kind of videos. Also let me the time to be recording the course of Domestika. And of course, if you like what I'm doing, if you like to see more about my projects, and if you want to see, guys, how is the life of a freelance illustrator looking like, I'm going to make a quick spoiler here. It's not that fancy like the ones that appear sometimes. You can You can subscribe and like this video, so this way I'm going to see that you like the content. So say that, guys. See you on the next vlog. Bye bye.